Sorry for the shaking. But here we are at Crown Center at the Westin Hotel. I just finished riding these glass elevators, but today we're going to be now riding the internal elevators. These are also Otis with Lexan and Innovation Universal fixtures.
What up? Got room?
I'm coming up.
What floor is there? 10?
I'm going to 18.
18 all the way to the top. Get some pictures. Need pictures of the #1 bellhop. Are you doing a travel blog? I've been here 43 years. The #1 bellhop in the country. I'm the president of the Bellhops Association International. Nice to meet you.
Great to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
I'm actually just filming the elevators for my YouTube channel.
Oh, is that right? Oh, no,
yeah,
no.
I'm very interested in elevators.
Is that right? Well, that's classic now. It's original equipment, 1973.
Yeah.
The elevators. Yeah. Otis put them in now, but now we have Midwest takes care of them.
Yeah.
But, classic elevator.
I believe these fixtures are Innovation Universal.
Yes, I believe so. And then I remember 20 years ago we did the Braille system on them too. Yeah, the Braille.
Yeah.
The little wall paneling. When the wall paneling gets scratched a little bit, I have a veneer guy comes by and stains it. Put the marble in here. That's kind of man-made.
Yeah, that's a very nice floor.
It's kind of Hallmarky. You can tell Hallmark owns the property. The whole place is kind of artsy.
Yeah.
Well, take care.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Alrighty. We got 4 more floors to go. Here we are at 18. We'll let the door close up and we'll get a cab view. Door close doesn't work. Oh, here we go down. On 16. 15, actually. Coming down?
Coming down, thank you.
Which floor?
Lobby.
Alrighty. I'm a YouTuber, so I like to film elevators.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. They're one of my main hyper focuses, and I've been doing them for a few years actually. There are a bunch of other YouTubers that film elevators. Coming down?
Yes, thank you.
To the lobby?
Yeah.
Alrighty. You guys have a good day.
You too.
Alright. Let the doors close up here. Here we go up. This is a very nice elevator. Here's a mirror. Hi! We are going up. What floor are we stopping at? 10? Did it park? Wait, now we're going down. To 5? Now what? Now we're going up. What is this elevator doing? I'm not pushing any of the buttons. I think we parked. What in the world? Okay, we're going up now. Wasn't expecting these elevators to act very strange today. The glass ones ran no problem. We're at 10 and now we're going back down. What is this elevator doing? Coming down?
Yes, sir.
Lobby?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
this elevator was going crazy. It was going up to 10 and then down to 5 and it was going crazy. I wasn't expecting that. I got it on video.
That is weird.
Yeah. I'm actually going to upload this to my YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
I've been filming elevators for 3 years.
People watch it?
Yeah.
Good. That's cool.
The elevators, the glass elevators, when I first took the video of them, they were very popular. Have a good day.
You too, buddy.
Alright, well, let's go up to 18. I think B is locked, yeah. Here we go. Whoa. Here we go. Here we are. Looks like we have an Edwards 278B pull station over there. Alright, let's see where this elevator takes us without pushing any buttons. Here we go. $15, $14. Here we go again. 13, 12. We're going up. Coming down?
Yes. Go, run, run.
Thank you.
Which floor?
Lobby.
Lobby?
Thank you.
Alrighty. These elevators have been acting a bit strange. They just keep moving up and down.
Yeah.
I think it just buzzed. Maybe because the door was open for a while. They nudge pretty easily. I filmed these elevators a couple times beforehand.
Hi. Oh really?
I'm uploading them to my YouTube. I'm uploading them to my YouTube channel.
Okay.
My YouTube channel name is Vulpix 4025 or 4025.
How you spell it?
VULPIX space 4025.
Okay. Yeah. I'll check it out.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, let's go ahead and actually, we'll end it up at the mezzanine level. You're at the mezzanine. There it goes. And that's it.